Welcome civil engineers. Learn faster with civil engineering tips. Okay, quick tips on splitting the site areas into equal parts. First, you have to load the application. Go to manage and here you can see the load application, and here this is PLX files. Okay, I will put this in the description below, link for this PLX file. Select this PLX file and then click on load. Okay, you will get this security. The publisher of this executable file could not be verified and the file is not located in a trusted folder. What do you want to do? Okay, so for now I will do it load once. Yeah, and here you can see the cd.plx successfully loaded. Now our application loaded successfully. Then type cd, which this command which we just load. Okay, click it here, and then this command is basically in Vietnamese language, so it is difficult to know what's written in this command line. So this is simply saying select the polyline. Okay, selecting the polyline, and then after selecting polyline, then select the line for which we are going to splitting. Select it and then pick a point. Pick a point either this side or this side, whichever you wanna make the areas. Okay, I will click this side and then you have to put the area. Okay, look here, I've made here 5 feet by 5 feet rectangle whose area is 25 square feet and this is 3600 in square inch. Here you can see if you want to split the areas in two equal parts, then you have to give 1800. Okay, you have to type 1800 here in command line, 1800, and then pressing enter. Okay, now it is saying whether you want to split or not, so simply type S for splitting areas. Okay, agreeing to split the areas into equal parts. Okay, yes, enter. Now this command is running. Look here, zong. This means accomplished in Vietnamese language, so it is done. Our area is split in two equal parts. Now check the areas. First make it as boundary. Okay, this is repeating the same command, picking. Now look area of this area of an object. So select here and see this polyline, and the area is 1800 square inch, 12.5 square feet. Okay, and let's check it on the one polyline. You can see 1800 square inch, splitting it into two equal parts. Now we'll split it into three equal parts. I'll copy it. Okay, now delete line. Okay, delete this polyline and it leader to the area. Now okay, now I'm repeating the same command, cd, enter. Okay, using polyline. This is our polyline. Okay, and then selecting the lines for splitting the areas. Okay, now picking points where I want this area. With I'm going to split this rectangle into three equal parts, so its area is 3600, so divided it by 3, you will get here 1200. So I'm picking this side to make this area as 1200, so click here and then simply type 1200 and then enter. S, enter. Now the application is running. Here you can see it is accomplished. Now you can it as and trim it here, tr. Okay, and see the area of this which we just made. Here you can see 1200 square inch, 8.33 square feet. Now copying it, okay, and then let's extend it for little. Let's fit to this line. You can see this area. I'll copy it. This line will move. Now repeating the command cd, selecting. Oh, okay. Let's make this as pull. Okay, I will explode it here, and then we'll make. Okay, or delete it. I'll simply use boundary command. Okay, pick this point. This is my line. Then I will copy this splitting line. Okay, repeating the command cd, enter, selecting line, and then selecting splitting line, and pick either you select this area or select the area. Okay, I'll select, for now I'll select this and 1200. Okay, press enter, and then s enter. Working on. Here you can see this accomplished, and now here you can see the area split into 3 equal parts. This, look how we put this line here, and after doing that command it is splits into these equal parts. Okay. Now I will explode these all. Okay, and now trim it. Now you can check the, first make it as boundary. Okay, boundary is better. Repeating these are the boundary. Now applying field command for the area. Select your object, this object, polyline, area. I will scale it 0.3. Okay. Area is 80 square feet. Yeah. Area here, this middle rectangle. Okay. Enter. 8.33. Yeah, this, while applying field command we didn't select the precision, so it only shows 80 square feet. Okay. All of these are of areas 8.33 square feet. This is how you split the areas, or simply you can say Autocad in Nepali. Okay, this is it. Like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips for learning faster. Peace out.